Right, if you saw the service video to this, we've got it doing 4 watts now and receiving better, which is the idea. See if Mr. Chippie's there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger or not, I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Yep, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
There we go, I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger. Wasn't working on any channels above 32 either, so I've done the VCO.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it, passing the passing place, and doggy daycare, which is currently in use.
Roger on that, that's fine.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
And doggy daycare, which is currently in use.
Roger on that, that's fine. I want you to go to channel 40 to prove the radio works on channel 40, as it didn't previously.
Roger, let me just get at this junction.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, I'll go to 40. Yeah, you're too quick for me when I'm trying to change channels when I'm mobile.
Yeah, that's fine as long as you're there. Pop it back to 31 when you're ready, please.
Roger that.
Tango 21 back on channel 31.
Yep, roger that. Well, we're now passing Ancaster service station 133.9, 142.9.
Roger, Dodger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, get you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Go 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on an Amstrad CB900, used the Cybernet 020 chassis from 1981. I'm on a salary replacement mic and a radio doing a 441 now.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger that.
in the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. Normally Amstrad 901 using the standard replacement line. Really doing full force output to 1.125 amps. The low power on this radio, I'll just look at my clipboard, is 390 milliwatts, so very close to where it should be. I'm going to put it on low power. Here we go, 54 3 2 1. There we are back on full power, over.
Yep, no problems on full power. Had to override the squelch on low power and you weren't very legible, over.
It's actually a bit noisy today, so there you go. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 138.9, 144.7.
Roger that, we're fine, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a special price today for me that today, please, over?
Yeah, 138.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, that worked fine, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that,
10-10. Absolutely great. Genuine article, no fakery there. And we'll go to our base station. We'll see what it sounds like on the original mic as well, which I'll get out of the box.
the Amstrad CB900, genuine Japanese article from